Welcome back to Math 171 Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to look at the midpoint formula to find a point right in the middle of a line segment. So, if we think about it, if I draw a straight line, so we'll call this point x1, y1, and then call this point x2, y2, we would expect a point that's halfway between them to actually be halfway between these points in both the x direction and the y direction. And that is indeed what we get. So the midpoint formula is simply x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. If you think back to some of the you may have had regarding basic statistics, you'd recognize this as being an average. So really simple concept here, just a quick example of it. If I take the point 1, -6, and the point -8, 4. And I want to find the midpoint of those two. I'm just going to do 1 plus -8, or 1 minus 8, over 2 for my x-coordinate. And then for my y-coordinate, -6 plus 4 over 2. Some simplifying gives me -7 halves and -2 over 2, which of course simplifies to -7 halves, -1. And that is how we find the midpoint of a line segment. In the next video, we're going to talk about the equation of a circle.